Hello survivors, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Gloo Walls like a pro in FreeFire. For this, you just have to start a match. As I'm going to start lone wall, so just select it and then tap on start. So now here I am tell you that how you can use Gloo Walls like a pro. For this, you just have to open your settings, and here you just have to enable the two settings, and that's you just have to enable auto Gloo Wall throw. Here's that, just tap on it and then tap on Gloo Wall Smart Throw. Just tap on it and then you just have to on both settings. And here you can see I have three Gloo Walls. So just skip bar button and then tap on Gloo Wall like this. And now try it again. When you tap on the Gloo Wall button, then your Gloo Wall will automatically load. Just tap here and then you can see I have logged Gloo Wall. And now try it again. Just through a fire button and then through Gloo Wall like this. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.